Hello friends, let's discuss Indian Police Service ranks today. Let's start. Number 1 is Constable. A constable doesn't have any insignia on his badge. It is totally plain. Number 2, Senior Constable. Senior Constable also doesn't have an insignia on his badge, but it has 2 blue color stripes. Number 3, Head Constable. Head Constable also doesn't have any insignia, but it has 3 blue color stripes. Number 4 is Assistant Sub-Inspector ASI. ASI has 1 star on his badge with red and blue stripes. Number 5 is Sub-Inspector SI. SI has 2 stars on his badge with red and blue color stripes. Number 6, Assistant Inspector API. In insignia, he has 3 stars with red color stripes. This post is available only in Maharashtra. Number 7, Inspector INS. Inspector has 3 stars with red and blue color stripe. Next is number 8, Assistant Superintendent of Police ACP or TSP. As insignia, he has 3 stars, but there are no red or blue color stripes. Number 9, Additional Superintendent of Police ASP. As an insignia, he has only 1 emblem. There are no stars, no stripes on his badge. Number 10, Superintendent of Police SP. As an insignia, SP has 1 national emblem and 1 star. Number 11, Senior Superintendent of Police SSP. As an insignia, SSP has 1 national emblem above 2 stars. Next is number 12, Deputy Inspector General of Police DIG. A DIG has 1 emblem with 3 stars as insignia. Number 13, Inspector General of Police IG. As insignia, an IG has 1 star above the sword and baton. Number 14, Additional Director General of Police ADG. As insignia, an ADG has 1 emblem above the sword and baton. Next one is number 15, Director General DG. And DG has 1 emblem above the sword and baton as insignia. ADG and DG has same badges. And the last one is number 17, Director of Intelligence Bureau DIB. As insignia, DIB has national emblem above 1 star, above crossed sword and baton. Bye bye friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.